complete the table. Let's spice this up a little bit. I'll get rid of this. Let's add a column for symbol. And let's add a column here for electrons. Because we can ask you all this stuff. Electrons. Alright, so let's start with atomic number. The atomic number tells you the number of protons. And that also tells you the identity of the element. Let's take care of that business first. If the atomic number is 9, that means there's 9 protons. If there are 14 protons, then that means the atomic number is 14. We'll get back to E in a minute. 25 and 25. Number 9 is always going to be fluorine. Fluorine always has 9 protons, excuse me. That's a big F. And number 14 is going to be silicon. It's always number 14. Let me scroll down here a little bit for you. Silicon is always number 14. And number 20 is number 25 is always manganese, and that's big M, little n. And if these are all neutral, that means the electrons are always going to equal the number of protons, because they're the only two particles with charges. They've got to balance out if the atom is neutral. So that means there's also 14 electrons in silicon, and there's also 25 electrons in manganese. All right, time to switch the colors. Let's do the mass number. So the mass is made up of the protons and the neutrons. They make up the nucleus. Add them up. 9 plus 10, 19. Plus 10, 19. 14 plus 15 is 29. And we need the number of neutrons here, so we can just subtract big number minus small number. 25 plus 30 is 55. Okay, so what could the 47 be? We know that these two particles make up that mass. Alright, so 47 minus 25 is 22. Right? Yes. So 22 is the number of protons. That means it's also the atomic number. That's going to be titanium. Big T, little I. And the number of electrons is also going to be 22 then, because the number of protons equal the number of electrons.